Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to Boolean cut. So I will go to the parametric body and create new sketch. So for base body you can draw rectangle, click close and use pet tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to use this Boolean tools, we need to create another body for the cuttings because we can use the Boolean cut. You can click new body again and create new sketch. I will use the top plane. So I will use this sketch and then use petals again to convert into 3D. Now I will set this object body 001 to the cutting object. So you can move the object touching the first body. Click OK. Right click in the body and then you can go to the active body. So to be set into the base body. And you can click Boolean tools. Now for add body, you can select the cutting body, this object, and then you can change from push to cut. And you can click OK to set for the Boolean cut. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to Boolean cut.